Hello everyone, I'm Em. Welcome back to TechBlock. We're back with an unboxing video. A highly anticipated one, I guess, and a product that I've also been waiting to get my hands on for a very long time too. It's, of course, the Nanoleaf Aurora light panels. I think I have a set of 15 here. That's what it kind of said on Amazon. It is actually 15 panels plus rhythm. So we get the whole music syncing thing. This works with Apple HomeKit, Amazon Echo, Google Home, all that good stuff. And these are going to be going above my monitor, well, above these monitors here, like up on the wall, as my walls are, let me show you, they're very plain. There's nothing going on back there. So hopefully this is going to help us spice things up a bit by, you know, adding none other than some more RGB. Something we clearly can't get enough of. Also bought myself a new microphone. The previous one I used to use snapped in half whilst recording a video, and all the audio was corrupted. So that happened. Luckily we've got a new one now. Hopefully it sounds better. It's a slightly more expensive microphone. Anyway, back to the unboxing. Right, so we have the main box over here, and then we also have this package. No clue what this is, but I'm going to open this up first, as it is the smaller one. No idea what this could be. Feels empty, to be honest. Can I even open this up? What is this? Oh! These things to link the Nanoleaf Aurora light panels. I don't know if I need these. I don't know if this comes with them already, so I've bought a few just in case, you know, we might need them. Throw this stuff to the side. I don't even know if I need this knife to, oh, yes we do. Also, you know, gotta use the cramped knife the correct way now to not trigger people. Oh, there's kind of like two boxes. Oh, and a giant, and a giant QR code. Lovely. I don't know why there are two boxes. I'm guessing it's like, guessing we have like maybe 9 and then 6 here. That would be my guess, as you can typically buy 9, but I bought 15 in total. Right, I've never seen these in person, by the way, so I have no clue what to expect really. Welcome to a smarter life. Thank you. We have the Apple HomeKit scanner right there and a serial number as well. So it appears these do already come with these little connectors. Do these like, okay, I'm not gonna break it. Okay, we got this piece. This is the, I don't know. It's something. We have, oh, I'm guessing this is the rhythm module, the music one? Yes, it is. Nanoleaf Rhythm. So this can allow us to, I guess, make the panels react to music. I don't know. We got a European power plug. Very nice. And then we also got the UK one. We're in the UK, of course. We have a power adapter. Oh, damn. This is going to be lovely to cable manage on the wall, and I'm guessing this is the adhesive that we're going to use to attach the light panels to the wall. However, based on a review that I read on Amazon, apparently these little, I guess, sticky pads for these are absolutely awful and don't really work very well. But at least you do get a whole lot of them. Like, there's tons of these little guys, so hopefully we'll be fine. What is this? The adapters? Oh, okay. So we have these. Oh, these are the non-flexible ones, so I bought the flexible ones. Let's take a look what's in this one. I'm guessing just 6 light panels, you know. What else would there be really? Yep, just 6 more. Cool. Aurora light panel. They're a bit dusty, but that's not too bad. There appears to be 3 connectors here, as well as like a very cool like geometric design. That's pretty dope. What I'm gonna do is I kind of want to make sure these actually work, you know, before we stick them onto a wall or anything. So this plugs into this, not directly into an adapter. So you do actually get a decent amount of cable length by the looks of things. That's cool. Let's grab one of the panels. Let's grab one of the panels. I guess it just kind of, does this just slide on in? Ooh, ooh. Oh, damn. Well, that changed colors for us. Oh, is it entered into some kind of like spectrum cycle mode? I really don't know. What happens if we press it again? Oh. Okay. Maybe there's like different themes I'm choosing from. There we go. Now you can see this light panel a little bit better. It is pretty bright. You can see it illuminating my entire face. It's a pretty bright thing. It's currently set to green. It's just like cycling through random modes, I guess. I don't really know what the hell's going on. But I'm going to try to connect the second one. I don't know if you have to turn them off to do that, but plug in this little connector right here. Then we're going to grab another Nanoleaf light panel, just like this. So I'm assuming you'd use the flexible one if you'd like mounting it at like, you know, different angles. by the looks of things, I think I'm going to use the normal ones, as I think there won't be a gap then. Yeah, and they're a bit easier to work with. All right, before we go on any further with these fancy light panels, I'm going to go on the App Store and download the Nanoleaf app, as you probably want to do that. So Nanoleaf. Also, in the meantime, maybe I can connect them to Apple HomeKit without the app. I don't know. Where's Apple Home? There we go. As they did give me a thing to scan. So add accessory. Where is? I think it's on this. There we go. Can we scan that? Oh, there we go. Light panels. Add accessory to network. I don't know how long it's going to take. Hopefully not too long. In the meantime, though, the app's downloaded. I think you have to make an account. Well, I'll find out. They are flashing. It's flashing. There we go. Light panels added. Will they actually be? There we go. The Apple HomeKit, we can turn them on and turn them off. Can we mess around with color already? There we go. Oh my god. They're bright. They're pretty bright. So far, so good. I'm quite impressed. Oh, you can log in with Google as well. Can we do Google then? Is Nanoleaf broken? What the hell? Error. Oh my, why are you just throwing out errors? Oh, error. What is this? Oh, can I skip? In that case, because clearly we can't make an account. Okay, light panels. Start pairing. Pair an accessory. Do I press the button? I don't know. It says there's meant to be a light flashing, which there was a light flashing but then I paired it to Apple Home. Press and hold down 2 buttons on your light panel controller for 15 seconds. All right. Yeah, I guess we found it though. We're getting your light panel set up on Wi-Fi. It'll flash green when it joins your network. Okay, flashing green when it joins. Hey, we good. Now Apple HomeKit's like, yo, add an accessory. All right, there we go. Color burst. Damn, dude. We got Nemo. We got Northern Light. Ooh, alrighty. Yep. I mean, life gets better when you log in. You tell me that, but I think it's actually impossible to log in. At least the setup of Apple HomeKit as well as the app now. If you press the power button, they turn off. Pretty cool. Man, the one thing I'm really kind of annoyed about, I guess, is the fact that I'm going to have a cable running down the wall, which is not good. Before you mount the panels, test the panels out on a table first. Oh, we kind of did. 2 of them work. Don't know about the rest. We have so many of these. I don't even know what design I'm going for. Like on the wall with these. I have no idea yet. I might have to go on Google and take a look at what other people have done and probably get some inspiration from other designs out there already. What kind of dope designs have people done? I could kind of go for like a block, I guess, like this, and kind of like an empty spot in the middle. Right, I'm gonna actually play around on the floor and kind of try to make something up. See what kind of design I can come up with, you know, the 15 panels here. And if I like how it looks on the floor, I guess I'll kind of mount it, you know, up on the wall up there. So, and I guess we could also plug them all in and test them. That might be a wise idea. Anyway, right. This is going to be like freaking playing with Legos. Now, I don't even know if 15 is enough for what I'm trying to achieve here. Can you see what I'm going for here? Can you see what I'm trying to do? Oh no, we might have enough, kind of. Yeah, well, I need one more. Oh, you kidding me, man? Right. Yeah, that doesn't look as exciting as I thought it would. So like, I guess I could do this, then maybe buy one more, and the kind of write like TechBlock in the middle. But I don't really know. I don't really know. Right. Now we just power them up. Boom. Oh, Christ. That looks insane. That looks absolutely insane. I'm gonna have to get my phone out and use the Leveler app to make sure, you know, it's so good and it's so level. That is important, of course. But this freaking cable. What am I gonna do with this cable? I'd need for the panels to like start up here and like make their way across. Oh dear Lord. Hello? Hey, I've enabled some kind of music mode. Now it's reacting to whenever I speak. Alright.
One likes being liked too. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
Alright, so this is the design I've come up with for the setup. Let me know what you think. It's not complete yet. I think I'm going to buy a few more panels, maybe like 6 more or something, and then what I'm going to probably do is expand this one kind of going down, I think, maybe that one going up as well. I don't really know, but I think I'm going to expand it more towards, like, you know, this region here, and then it'll kind of maybe look better. But for now, this is kind of what I've come up with. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If you hate it, please let me know, and then I'll probably change it if everyone hates this design. But I don't think it looks too bad. However, I also think that it doesn't look finished. I do feel like I need a few more light panels to kind of complete, you know, this whole thing here. But I am kind of happy with it though. Like, it does look freaking awesome. Having something on the wall there, finally, you know, is always good. And then in probably a few months' time, when we hit 100k subs, the plaque, the silver play button will be right here. And then behind that play button, we're gonna stick a bunch of razor chrome LED strips and pretty much set it to like a wave effect. So it'll be an RGB play button, which will be sick. And I feel like it's going to look a whole lot better once we have that silver play button with the RGB and this is completed. So I think then, you know, things will look a whole lot more complete, I suppose. But for now, this is how things look like. It does look very different in person compared to what it seems like on camera. The LED lights are super, super bright, so that's why they kind of appear like white, I guess. But there's not too much I can do about that. It does look way better in person than it does on camera. That's all I'm gonna say. But apart from that though, thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed watching me set up these light panels. Like, about time I bought these things, right? It's like, I've kind of been promising to buy these for many months, but didn't quite get around to doing it until this moment. So now they're all set up, they're all up on the wall. We're gonna buy more, that's for sure, as this part of the wall does feel a bit empty, so definitely gonna buy a few more light panels. And of course, if you wanna buy some of these light panels for yourself, for your own setup, or your own bedroom, wherever you wanna put these guys, in the kitchen, even in the toilet, up to you. Links are down below in the description where you can buy these. I'll try to link the exact same set that I bought, including the little fancy flexible connectors that you can use if you want to. But apart from that, everyone, thank you all so much for watching. I hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.
I just need to clear my head.